In this video, we will learn how to add audio or music to a PowerPoint presentation. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. Now click on the Audio option from the drop-down menu. Select Audio on my PC. Select your audio file and click Insert. The audio icon will now appear on your slide. If you want the music to play automatically during the presentation, select Automatically from the Start drop-down menu. You can also click on Hide During Show if you want to hide the audio icon while presenting your slideshow. If you want the same music to continue playing across multiple slides, click on Play Across Slides. And if you want the music to repeat continuously during the presentation, check the option called Loop Until Stopped, and that's it. You now know how to add and customize audio in a PowerPoint presentation. Create presentations in seconds with AI. Turn your ideas, notes, or documents into professional slides instantly. Available for Google Slides and PowerPoint.